And you know that, Justin, right, in Riverfront, we have a show flat.
I heard about that.
Yes.
I heard about that. You know, I have to say, I saw pictures of it. I haven't been there.
Right.
I feel like going there now. And I think it's really important because it is in a real world setting.
Yes.
Yeah, you actually use an actual unit.
Yes.
So people can actually, so anybody can go to Riverfront Residences and go and see the show flat.
Yes.
That you guys have designed.
Yes, right.
Wow.
Yeah, and you know why? The design, right? The whole overall, right, is below 30K.
Oh, you're kidding?
Yes,
Oh,
yes. That's why I want to show more people, right? In 30,000, what can you see and what can you get?
So I think that the timing is perfect.
Yes.
Because a lot of places are about the TOP.
Yes.
Or just TOP, just collect keys. And if you're shopping around for an ID, again, go down to the show flat, have a look. The folks on Rezt+Relax will be there. And the best part is you just offered a free mood board.
Yes, right.
And a free, a little layout for everyone. So it won't cost you a cent to go and see what inspiration you can get. And now you can actually experience it for yourself.
Yes.
That personal touch at Riverfront Residences.
Yes, and this is why I think that to look for an ID, right? Not only pricing, the workmanship and also the vibe of the design is important also.
Right.
So from there, then you decide which ID you want to choose. You have more enough time to think.
Oh, wow, that's very cool.
Yeah.
My place is 5 minutes from Riverfront Residences.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I might just go and check it out.
Sure.
Just go and see.
Welcome.
Yeah, I mean, what fascinates me as a first-time homeowner is use of space.
Yes.
Every condo nowadays is small. Right?
Yes,
Every unit is small. The use of space, sometimes you never think of it until you see someone do it.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
So I think space planning is very important.
Yeah.
So step 1 had to be space planning. Step 2 had to be your design concept. Yeah, so that is very important.
Riverfront Residences. It's
Yes.
in Hougang. It's very easy to reach.
Right.
Very easy to find on your Google Maps. Head there. I think you'll be really inspired
Right. See you guys.
by the Rezt+Relax guys.
Right.